Hey, what's up guys? Dave here. So today we are gonna put the hub motor on this bike right here. Check it out. So we got a front hub motor kit. It was about 230 bucks shipped. I could have got it a little bit cheaper on eBay, but I was a little dubious. So I bought it from Amazon because if anything goes wrong, I can just return it, no problems. eBay is a little bit more difficult. So ease of use cost me about 20 bucks. It's definitely not, so I bought an e-bikeling conversion kit for my wife's bike. This is for my daughter's bike. So my wife's bike needed to look a little bit better. It definitely looks better. The e-bikeling one has a better controller. It looks better. It's waterproof, stuff like that. This kit is a little bit more difficult and they aren't as nice out of the box. I had to buy my own torque arm as well. So I just bought a universal torque arm kit off Amazon. I'll link all the stuff below where I got it all. But let's put it on. So what we've done so far is we've taken off the front wheel and we're just using V-brakes. So it's gonna be pretty simple conversion process. We're just gonna put it in and see what happens. All right, so we finished up that build. It's actually completely put together now. All the zip ties are on there. I had to go get a rear rack to put on it because I couldn't really figure out how to put the battery in the middle. But with the rear rack, it does look really clean with the controller and the battery on the back, and I really do like it. It's very balanced. I like that a lot. Initial thoughts for the actual motor. The motor seems to work extremely well. I'm not super excited about the throttle. You push a button and it turns on, you push a button and it turns off. There's nothing else to it. You have a battery indicator and that's it. No voltage. You can't change the pedal assist modes or anything like that. So I disconnected the pedal assist because when you use the pedals, it will go full throttle, and I didn't really like that. I like the variability of the actual throttle, so I disconnect pedal assist. Throttle only works really, really well. Super simple. If I was going to do it again, I would probably get a brushless motor kit that had a display on it, that had the pedal assist modes. You can go from 0 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and step it up incrementally. I know you can get a throttle that has little toggles on it. I may look at that in the future, but as of right now, that's what I got, and it works really well. I mean, for someone like me, it's not a big deal. Turn it on. I do like the simplicity of just turning it on and going. You don't need to wait for it to power up. You don't need to wait for anything. You just hop on the bike, start pedaling, turn it on, boom. You're going 30 miles an hour in no time. And this kit is great. It actually goes 30 miles an hour. I had a 47 volt battery and I was going 28 miles an hour GPS. So I'm pretty sure I can hit at least 30 miles an hour with it charged up all the way. I was scooting around on it last night and it was amazing. It was really, really awesome. And I have a 10 amp hour battery on it right now, and I went 7 miles and I didn't lose 1 bar. There's only 3 bars, so it worked out really well. I think I'll get about 20 miles of range out of it. I have quite a few bikes I need to test with their batteries and the configuration that I set them to. I haven't actually tested any of the batteries that I've made personally. They seem to have a crazy amount of longevity. They just last so long, but maybe that's because we're just kind of scooting around. We haven't really put a whole ton of miles on them yet. So I'll have to take them out, throttle only, and do some mileage testing to see how far they'll go. Excited to test out my batteries that I built. I've built 3 batteries so far, and they've all worked out really, really well. We're actually waiting for a 4th battery. We've got some cool stuff coming up. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.